Before tutorial begins, kindly click on subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I release new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button beside it so that you will always be notified.
Hi friends, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can delete your website or your Android app. So you create websites on Samora bot, or you create app, or even Chatbot, so you can delete them. I'm going to show you how you can delete them now, because sometimes maybe you mistakenly created with your website and you want to change it to online store. There is no way to change it unless you delete the website. So just follow the steps, you get it right. It works for websites, app, or chatbot. So anyone you create, so it will work for you. So let me click on this to open your website manager. So after this, check the bottom, you see add-ons. Or no, just go straight to Portal. Now on this Portal, click on menu. You can see admin settings. Click on admin settings. There's a link here. Click on it. Now it shows only add-on, only one add-on. So that means delete my website. So if it's an app you have, it will be delete my app. So you click on this green icon to delete it. Please, if you are not sure, or if you don't really want to delete, do not install this add-on. You need to install it. So once it is installed, it will wipe or it will remove your website from the server. So you must be very sure to do that. And mind you, you can see in the warning here, the action cannot be undone. So click on this. You can see, are you sure to delete your platform? So if you are sure, click on OK. And if you are not, you can click on cancel. You see, I repeat, if you delete, there is no way to recover your files. So you must make sure that your website is not necessary anymore. You want to change it, or you want to create another platform. That's when you can do that.